All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off Safe Search on your Android phone. And this isn't just the Safe Search in your Google account when you log in to a web browser and try to search for things. This is also things on the system level when you use the search bar at the bottom of the phone, when you ask Google to search for something, or when you use any other search feature that also ties back to the web. The first thing you need to do is go click on your settings button, and then here inside of your Android phone's settings, we're just going to take the easy route and we're going to tap on search settings at the top of the screen or wherever your search bar is for your settings. It's usually built into most versions of Android. And here we're going to type in search, assistant, and then at that point it should pop up search, assistant, and voice. We want to tap on that, and then inside of the search, assistant, and voice section we want to go to the top result, which is privacy and safety, and then at the bottom of this list is the safe search option. Here you can determine your level of safe search that you do or don't want. You can have it filter out the results entirely so you don't even see them. That's the top option. You can also change the option to just blur the results, so you have to click them, kind of like a spoiler tag. Or you can go with off, which is what I prefer, because I'm an adult. I can filter my own search with my own eyes. And then that's it. That is how you disable the safe search feature on an Android phone, so you can get all of your results completely unfiltered, so you can make the judgment for yourself what information you want to search for. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.